Hello guys, a very good evening to one and all. It's me, I'm Dr. Jayanti Ghosh, pediatric dentist. So today I'm going to speak about a very hot topic which is trending in United States as well as in India. It is about dermal fillers and Botox for making the skin look fuller, and also for aged people, and now mostly the people who are into modeling as well as who are into dieting. So they have a problem of wrinkles that are being created, and crow's 5 feet, which they say are being present in the sides of nasolabial, in the sides of eyes as well as nasolabial folds, which represent a whooping dog appearance. So there is no question that Botox and dermal fillers are well known for their aesthetic and perioral functions. Botox is essentially a muscle relaxer, and dermal fillers such as Juvederm are very much beneficial. Once we have been trained about the anatomy, physiology, pharmacology and the adverse effects of all those dermal fillers, then we can easily use them, and it is a very useful trend that we can utilize in order to make our aesthetic appearance more good and beautiful. Now that over 35 states allow in United States Botox and dermal fillers for facial aesthetic and therapeutic purposes, mostly they are being used for temporomandibular dysfunction cases, bruxism and clenching where there is bruxomania and bruxism during the day, facial pain, treatment of angular cheilitis, gummy smiles, orthodontic relapse where the teeth comes back to the normal position in case of a midline diastema spacing, reducing muscle hyperactivity for retention of prosthodontics. Dermal fillers in the nasolabial folds, mentalis folds, labiomental folds are used for treatment of eliminating black triangles and also for re-establishing the lip volume. Sometimes some people, I will also be frankly telling that my upper lip has less amount of lip volume. So these kind of treatment, they help in increasing the lip volume, which helps us in getting a better facial appearance. So in terms of therapeutic uses, these dermal fillers are very useful, and these can be not only used by the young population but also by the geriatric population. So while patients should be thrilled about this newer technology, they are often disappointed because they think that the adverse effects are much more. But I want to say that if these techniques are carried out by a much more well-established professional who knows how to carry out these injecting techniques as well as Botox, using of Botox for skin, cheekbones, angular cheilitis, I believe it is going to be a super successive approach. So thank you guys. I hope today's video must have been very much interesting and useful to you all. If you have any questions or any doubt, you can tell me in my description box. I will be readily available to answer them. Also, I will be adding up my mail ID and WhatsApp for you to contact me. So thank you everyone, and a very good night. Stay home, stay safe.